How to add artwork on Steam on PC. This tutorial shows you how to upload your own custom images to your profile. First, open Steam on your computer. From there, hover over your profile name at the top menu. After that, click Profile from the dropdown. At this point, once your profile loads, scroll down toward the bottom on the right side. Following this, click Artwork. If you haven't added anything yet, you'll see an option to upload directly. From here, click Upload. At this stage, choose whether the artwork is from a game or not. Following this, if it's not tied to a specific game, click Not a Game. From here, enter a title for your artwork. At this stage, click Choose File. Following this, browse to and select the file you want to upload. From here, add a description if you'd like. At this stage, click Save and Continue at the bottom. That's how you add artwork on Steam on PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.